Okay, so we have a interesting one here. This house is currently under construction and it's almost done, but the electricians kind of left the telecom stuff hanging, and now it's up to me to finish it and get them hooked up. So this standpipe was left here, just kind of loose like that, and obviously this isn't up to code. We got to put schedule 40 conduit in, and initially we were going to extend it up with a 2-inch all the way up to here, install this fat copper box, but that's not going to work. So the plan is to use 1 1/4 inch PVC, and we're going to extend it up right to the bottom of that ledge and install the fiber box instead of extending it with the 2-inch up to here with the fat copper box. So that's the plan. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so just a little update. I got this one cut down and stubbed off. Not going to be used. That's for competitor ISP, but with Fibre they're good. And yeah, so I now brought the standpipe up, I saddled it in, and now I'm going to pull the drop in and then mount the fiber box. Boom, right there. Sweet. So by cutting off that back bracket, I can now fit the coupler over it, and that coupler will go there, because this rubber doesn't fit into there properly, but with the coupler it will. So let's try it out. First I have to loosen this a bit, maybe a little bit more. Now pass the string through. Beautiful. Just hope I didn't go too high. I may have gone a little bit high. So now I wasn't expecting to use this coupler, but I realized I had one, so I got to cut about 1 inch off. No problem. There we go. Not sure why that wall's getting so scuffed. Some really weak ass siding. And just pass the string through here. Perfect. Just almost. Beautiful. That's what I'm looking for. Beautiful. Now we're ready to pull the drop in. I'll wipe that down. This. There we go. Working on the railroad. So I have the coil. I'm going to uncoil it, and the way I measure out these shorter drops is I'll start at the tub, and you can see the conduit is right there, kind of pointing in that direction, so I can assume it goes kind of to the edge of the property line and over. So I kind of just follow that assumed path. Obviously it doesn't have to be perfect. Over to where the nib is, and then back. A little bit extra for good measure. Now this leaves me with pretty much a guaranteed amount of slack for the tub and for the nib, because if I have enough to get from here to there once, then halfway back is enough to strip, and the halfway is to coil up in here. So that's my logic there. Now I'm going to cut it. Cool, can go by the truck. Okay, grab the end of the tracer. Confirm that's my conduit. Ooh, it's tight. Okay, looks like we're routing. And there's the router. Interesting. It wasn't that conduit, it was this one. I wonder where that pull string went. No problem. It's taped up good. That's the part that can get jammed up on stuff. And there we are. Perfect. Cut that. Don't need this anymore. And now we just pull how much slack we need. 2. Should be enough. There we go. Look at that. And it looks like this string got lost. Yeah, it snapped. I've been waiting to do this job for a long time. Electricians were supposed to fix it, but they never did. So, problem solved. Let me see. I'm actually gonna go finish the tub first. Really sloppy run here. No nap number. It's fine. We'll make do. Oh, a spider. So you're gonna hatch soon. Probably some black widows in here. And there's no tag on this nap, so not even sure what nap I'm plugging into. It's dusty. Okay, so that's it mounted up and done there. Just gonna close up the vault and go finish at the house. Oh, this side goes first. Things are so clunky. So first thing, try to wipe the dirt because it came out wet. Done. Can open up here. Little bus bar. And oh, that's weird. Never had that issue before. Getting caught up on something. Before I call the fiber, I'm just going to call this up. I like to pop this in behind here. There we go. Beauty. They're done. Just gonna put a piece of Velcro. Tape together. Really happy with that.